I thought that today, sometime today, I will get a big diamond here. Will make me rich. Right now, they reach the gravel. Right now, the driver cleaner for make the keep fine. So we keep fine the washer. The reasons for see. So you understand, eh? Right now, they call the gravel. Yeah. Like this or like this.
Now wait, I should not have done the parking. First, he did drown.
Kuzamba.
The white one.
This is the white one, and this is orange.
Orange, you find one.
Where the white one, man?
Look at
Don't go 10.
Look at brother. Look at brother. Just little diamond, industry diamond. Oh, it's not good.
Number 10.
Number 10. This is just for 5,000. 5,000 euros. Just the first day we started, we saw big diamond, which will take, let me say, 5 carats. Yeah, that make us glad, make us happy. So that's why we have zeal, still doing the job. The diamond we got today is just 2 packets of cigarettes. Because for now, this kind of diamond is not easy to forget. Normal days, they find it 1,000 for a day. But for now, it's not easy. Diamonds now get scarce.